Good morning, Philippines! Hi! Good morning! So, here I am again, and it's a winter season dito sa aking lugar, dito sa Canada. And I'm so very happy and grateful dahil kasama ako sa magta-testify. So, ito na yung bunga na nakuha na natin sa ating seed. For the past few years, alam ko lahat tayo nagde-desire at kasama yan sa mga prayer natin na magkaroon na tayo ng church building. And finally, God is so very amazing and He is so very faithful sa kanyang promises. He makes all things possible in the right time. So today, I would like to share a season of patience. So hindi naman lahat ng seed natin ay tutubo siya kaagad. Depende kung anong seed yung itinanim mo. So unfortunately, well, it's not unfortunately, but what you call that one? Nasa season po ako ng patient, waiting season. So pare-pareho tayo ngayon. So parang kagaya sa season ng Canada, you have to overcome yung pinaka-challenging na season, which is yung winter. Ito yung pinaka-malamig na season. So kapag winter, maraming challenges at maraming changes na pwedeng mangyari sa atin. Lalo na sa akin, first, kailangan marunong kang magbalanse sa paglakad mo kasi kung hindi, maaari kang madulas. And pangalawa, kailangan maraming layer yung suot mo. So ngayon, nakatatlong layer po ako. And ito, ini-share ko po yung season ng winter and season of waiting. So nung in-approach ako ni Pastor about testimony, sabi ko yung seed ko this year parang hindi lahat ata tumubo, pero alam nyo, pinaka the best sa waiting season is kapag dumarating yung point na marami tayong tanong at gusto natin makakuha ng sagot dun sa ating mga tanong. Babalik lang tayo dun sa pinaka basic, and the very basic is bumalik tayo dun sa Word of God. It's very cliche, pero it is real in my personal life. Wala babalik talaga tayo. Yung pinaka-privilege sa being a Christian. Kasi anytime, any moment na nandun ka sa season of waiting mo or nandun ka sa pinaka-deepest part ng season mo, mararamdaman mo lalo si Lord. At yung mga sagot na gusto mong, mga tanong na gusto mong masagot, nasa Bible lang. So, winter season is one of very challenging. So parang ganyan din yung mga seed natin. Maaring yung seed mo ay hindi pa siya tumubo, maaring nag-seed ka ng nara, o maaring nag-seed ka ng para sa or coconut tree yung expectation mo dun sa seed mo na yon. So ako, I realized na huwag tayong magmadali na alam mo yun, yung expectations natin sa seed natin, kasi wala kailangan nating dumaan sa mga season. So I would like to encourage you all sa a kind of faith na meron si Shunammite woman. Mababasa natin yung story niya sa 2 King 4. Siya yung widow na nagbigay ng oil kay Elisha. So sa story is namatay yung kanyang anak, pero magkikita sila ni Elisha. Pero even that, kahit namatay yung anak niya, alam mo yung tanong lang ni Elisha sa kanya? Ito, basahin ko po ha. Sa 2 Kings 4:24, she saddled the donkey and said to her servant, "Lead on, don't slow down for me unless I tell you." So ito na yung time na nagmamadali siya kasi gusto na niyang mamit si Elisha. So she set out and came to the man of God at Mount Carmel. Siguro magdi-discipleship sila or meron silang one-on-one training. When he saw her in the distance, the man of God said to his servant, "Gehazi, look, there's a Shunammite woman. Run to meet her and ask her, 'Are you alright? Is your husband alright? Is your child alright?'" Alam mo yung sagot niya? Everything is alright. Pero at the back of the story, kung bago silang mag-meet ni Elisha, namatay yung anak niya. So imagine, yung season niya is very challenging, pero lagi niya sinabi niya kay Elisha is all is well. So tayo din, kung nasa waiting season ka, kagaya ko, don't worry, God is in control, God's still in the heaven, all is well. So yung season of patient mo ngayon, enjoy mo lang yan. Mahirap, challenging, pero all is well. you so much. Bye!